Serge Agua, the EHS country lead for Ivory Coast and Ghana. On this project, as on all our projects in the region, the main objective for us is to complete the work without any incident. We know that it's a critical work as many lifesavers are involved. So in terms of supervision, we ensure that our site team is involved in all the steps of this project, and they will take you through all what has been put in place to ensure that we complete the work without any incident. We really want the workers coming on the site to work every day and go back safe home. So my team will take you through all what has been put in place, and you will see that everything has been put in place to ensure zero accident on this project.
Hi everyone, I'm Luc Kwaku, EHS manager for Octobre plant. I'm with one of my reports, Williams Landry Kofi, the EHS specialist in charge of all expansion projects. So I will describe you what we used to do in case of projects. All our process involve EHS action, EHS activity. So before starting the project, we are informed of the project owner that a project will be done. So we need to be connected to the project team and the contractors involved in the project in order to be sure. First, if the method statement is in place, we will check and be aligned with project team and contractor to see that if all requirements, Cargill requirements are fitted. So we need to check the consistency of the method statement and all related EHS part.
I'm Jonas Shelby, the project manager for the program plan for Cargill. So here in our office, this is our open office. We are working here with engineers, technicians, EHS, and also procurement. So our daily job is to implement projects. So we have various projects, different types. So the base project and non-base projects. For the base project, this is the project to maintain the plant, the EHS compliance, also regulatory compliance. And we also, the non-base project is basically strategic for the plant. That was the case of the extension project. Today we are making a short movie for the GND project. This is part of our base project. So why GND project? Yeah, the GND is the roster continuous process producing 10 tons per hour of new process. But today, after 50 years, we got the issue with the louvers, and the project consists to change all these louvers. This is a challenging project managed by Emmanuel, and today we are on the implementation phase. With that one, we are making challenging activities, and we put in place to mitigate all the risks. Yeah? We put in place some method statement and also some risk assessments. And with this action, we are working in a safety condition for the contractor and also for Cargill own team. As part of this big project on our base project, Cargill is investing always between 6 and 8 million for the base project for this plant. That was the case for the roofing. We are also the bends, the sea blend project is ongoing, and also the road project is ongoing. Okay, as I said, we are working with various people, engineers, technicians, procurement, and also EHS.
Hello everyone, I am Yapi Jean-Philippe Vivien, Continuous Improvement and Line Supervisor for the line 1 at Cargill. The first line, the GND line, Continuous Improvement Supervisor. And during the project of replacement of the louvers in the roster, I was following with Carl, the project engineer for the project team. And we did some modification about the replacement of the louvers, some welding, and before that we had some NIPS leakage in the hot air chamber. And we did also some modification in the ducting for the burner. So after this all modification, we can observe some improvements in the line, more stability. We have some next steps to close. We have still some next steps to close, but now we can observe an improvement about the stability on the line, about the temperatures too, about the set point of the burner too. So it's a good improvement.